Hi, my name is Daniel Green, and I'm here today to talk to you about VitalSource Analytics. Today, more than ever, educators are faced with the challenge of reducing the cost of education while also supporting students to ensure successful outcomes that lead to gainful employment. Prior to the availability of digital learning materials, educators were unable to ascertain if the materials adopted for a class were even being used. This lack of information would manifest itself in students questioning or delaying the purchase of required materials, and sometimes the materials themselves were not even being used by the instructor. Identification of at-risk students was driven by the outcome of assessments and assignments, leading to latent, more generalized intervention. To address this challenge, some institutions had the resources to invest in analytics, while other institutions lacked the funding to do so, creating an uneven field of play. At VitalSource, we understand the value analytics delivers to higher education. And because of this, we embrace the challenge of lowering the cost of course materials while also increasing their effectiveness, enabling the delivery of personalized learning at scale, helping educators identify at-risk students in time for meaningful intervention, and most of all, ensuring that all institutions, regardless of funding, can benefit from their engagement data. In creating VitalSource Analytics, we didn't try to implement a black box solution that promised plug-and-play improvements to student pass and persistence rates. Instead, we built tools that create efficiencies and optimize the effectiveness of those best positioned to impact student success, the educator. We started by partnering with institutions to better understand how engagement with the course materials impacts student outcomes. In this particular study, we were able to predict the student's letter grade by the second week in the course. This informed the key focus of our instructor dashboard, ensuring that students start reading early in the semester and continue to read consistently throughout the semester. Accessible from the LMS using LTI, the instructor dashboard provides visibility into course-level engagement statistics. Right off the bat, instructors can monitor overall engagement statistics and identify courses for further analysis. Within a course, instructors can identify at-risk students who have not yet opened the book. They can also monitor student engagement throughout the semester, providing important feedback that can help shape lectures. A series of metrics are also available for instructors to better understand the engagement profiles within their course, and they can also identify problematic behaviors such as cramming. Student-level engagement provides quantitative feedback that can be used during office hours visits to better personalize the discussion. VitalSource Analytics is enabled at more than 600 institutions worldwide. Since its release, the real-time engagement data streaming from VitalSource Analytics has helped to power adaptive learning in publisher courseware solutions and has achieved the vision of Caliper by enabling more holistic research that combines data from multiple tool providers. VitalSource Analytics complements textbook affordability and day one access initiatives by helping educators improve student achievement. We believe the promise of learning analytics can't be limited to only those institutions with funding. That's why VitalSource Analytics is completely free for institutions. The real investment is not technical. It lies in the community's commitment to lower the cost of education through data-driven, iterative improvements that ultimately benefit student pass and persistence rates. VitalSource Analytics is founded on the interoperable standards put forth by IMS. Our commitment to the open educational ecosystem ensures that institutions who integrate with VitalSource will also be able to integrate with other tool providers in the ecosystem. I'll close by saying thanks to IMS and thank you for your consideration of VitalSource Analytics for our Learning Impact Award this year.